Every 2 weeks, the entire animal facility team comes together for a thorough deep cleaning. Begin by preparing the disinfectant according to the rotation schedule, selecting the appropriate solution for the week. Transport the prepared disinfectant into the designated room. Begin by wiping down the cage changing station with disinfectant. Disinfect the transport carts thoroughly. Use disinfectant to clean the small trolleys, collapsible work tables, and other stainless steel equipment. Clean and organize the office desk area. Remove the air return filter from the room. Submerge the removed filter in the prepared disinfectant solution and soak it for 30 minutes. Wipe the air return louvers with disinfectant. Disinfect the intake and exhaust vents, as well as the cage racks and their tops. Sweep the floor to remove dust and debris. Use a wall cleaning rod dipped in disinfectant to clean the walls and ceiling. After 30 minutes of soaking, dry the filter. Once dry, reinstall the filter, open the louvers, and ensure proper ventilation. Conduct thorough room disinfection using a disinfectant fogging procedure. After fogging, mop the floor with disinfectant. Clean the trash bins and dispose of the waste daily. Ensure that no trash remains in the room overnight. After disinfecting the transport carts, return them to their designated locations. Follow the 5S principles to maintain a clean and organized work environment. Remove cleaning tools, feed boxes, scoops, spray bottles, small buckets, and other used equipment from the room for cleaning. The team transports the items to the cleaning area in the logistics section. Properly dispose of waste liquids in accordance with safety guidelines. Sanitize the small buckets and cleaning cloths. Thoroughly clean other cleaning tools and equipment. Place the cleaned items into the sterilization chamber for hydrogen peroxide fumigation.